Welcome, this is Morgan. Today, I'm excited to introduce our electric 3-burner shawarma cable machine. This beautiful and compact machine is perfect for commercial kitchens. This machine features a sleek design and is easy to use, perfect for any kitchen that specializes in Middle Eastern cuisines. This machine measures 700mm in length, 620mm in width, and 1065 in height. A compact yet powerful solution for your kitchen needs. With 3 independent controllers, you have a full control over each burner's temperature. And the control box can be easily folded for convenient storage. Perfect for Middle Eastern restaurants and commercial kitchens, this machine lets you create authentic, delicious shawarma and cables. And now, we are offering special discount for a limited time. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. If you have any questions or need more information, just leave us a comment below and our customer service team will reach out to you. That's all today. See you next time.